Jai Hind children, welcome to today's class. We are going to discuss some more problems on areas of combination of plane figures. In the figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle with center O, perpendicular to each other, and OD is the diameter of the small circle. If OA equal to 14 cm, find the area of the shaded region. Use the value of pi as 22/7. Once again, we can read the question and what is given that we can write here. In the figure, AB and CD are two diameters of a circle. AB and CD are two diameters of a circle. But the condition is that they are perpendicular to each other. The two diameters are perpendicular to each other. That is the condition given for you. And OD is the diameter of the small circle. The diameter of the small circle is given as OD. This much is given as the diameter of the small circle OD. OA, this much is given to us 14 centimeter, 14 centimeter. Find the area of the shaded region. Only this much given for you. At first we can write what are the things given for you. You are given with a combination of a big circle, a small circle and a triangle BCA. At first we can write what is the diameter of the small circle. OD is given as actually OA itself. All are radius of the circle. So OD equal to 14 centimeter itself. This much 14, this also 14, all are radius. This also 14 centimeter, everything 14. This also 14 centimeter. Anyway, OD is given as 14 centimeter, the radius of the circle. So, OD, the diameter of the small circle, actually the radius of the large circle. What else given for you? Angle O is given as 90 degree as they are perpendicular to each other. If angle O is 90 degree, you can say that triangle BCA is a right triangle. Now, one more thing we can write. The radius of the large circle. The radius of the large circle, that also is given to us. What is the radius of the large circle? OA, which is 14 centimeter. This much given for you. Now we can identify the shaded area. Area of the shaded region equals. Area of the shaded region equals. Try to identify the shaded region equals. Two areas are given here. One is that area of the small circle. Am I right? This much area you need to take it first. Area of the small circle. Area of the small circle. Plus. Along with this area, I need to add up this much area too. Can you see? This much area too I need to add up. But what about that area? That area actually is the area of the right side semicircle, BCA. This much is the right side semicircle. From this area, if you subtract the triangular area, am I right? If you subtract this triangular area, you will get the area of the shaded region on the right side. Am I right? So that we are going to write. This area I am going to write as area of the semicircle. Which semicircle? Area of the semicircle BCA. BCA. From this semicircular area, you need to subtract this triangle BCA area. Area of triangle BCA. This is actually the required area. Am I right? So, two areas are given here. One by one we can find. At first I am going to find area of the small circle. Area of the small circle equals area of the small circle equals. What is the formula for to find the area of a circle? Pi r square. But for the small circle, the diameter OD is given as 14. OD equal to 14 centimeter. So can you say what about the radius? Radius is half of the diameter, which is 7. So I am going to substitute the value of radius here as r equal to 7 centimeter. For the small circle, the radius r equal to 7. Okay, we can substitute the values here. Value of pi given as the question as 22 by 7, which is equal to 22 by 7 into the radius r square. Radius r square is 7 into 7. Am I right? Now do the cancellation. 7 cancel with this 7. The remaining is a 22 into 7, which is 154 centimeter square is the area. Now don't forget what the answer is. The answer is 154 centimeter square. That is the first answer. I am going to take this first equation as equation number 1. Finding each area separately, substituting in this, you will get the final answer. Now I am going to find the second area, that is area of semicircle BCA. Area of semicircle BCA I am going to find. Area of semicircle BCA. What is the formula for to find the area of a semicircle? Area of a circle is pi r square. So area of a semicircle is half pi r square. Half pi r square. But you need to know what is the the radius of this semicircle. What is the radius of this semicircle? The radius of the right side semicircle BCA is BO or OA. Both are equal to 14. So the radius equal to 14, that we can substitute here. Now I am going to substitute the values, which is equal to half into the value of pi is 22 by 7 into what is the radius r given in the question? The radius r is 14. So r square is 14 into 14. Okay, we can do the simplification. 2 cancel this 22 11 times. 7 cancel with 14 2 times. Now the remaining is 11 into 2 22. 22 into 14, that is 308. 22 into 14, which is equal to 308 centimeter square is the second area. Okay, look at the second area. 308 centimeter square is the second area. Now I am going to find the third area. Area of triangle BCA. Area of triangle BCA equals area of triangle BCA. I told you that the triangle is the right triangle. For the right triangle, what is the formula for to find the area? Area is half into base into height. From the figure, we can identify what the base and height is. I am going to take the base as BA. Why? Because these two lines are perpendicular to each other given in the question. So CO is the altitude which is perpendicular to the base BA. Am I right? So half into what is the base for this triangle? BA or AB into height or altitude, the line which is perpendicular to the base, that you can take as CO. Any doubt? No. Now I am going to substitute the values here. Equal to half into what is BA? BA is actually the diameter of the larger circle. Diameter of the large circle is, radius of the large circle is 14. So the diameter equal to 28 centimeter. BA equals 14 plus 14, which is 28 into CO. CO is the radius of the circle, which is 14 itself. Now I am going to make the simplification here. 2 cancel with this 28. 14 times 14 into 14 is 196 centimeter square is the answer. 196 centimeter square is the answer. Thus, we got the 3 areas separately. 196 is the third area. We got the 3 areas separately. Now, I am going to substitute all these values in equation 1. Therefore, from equation 1, we get. From 1 we get. The area of the shaded region is area of the shaded region. Area of the shaded region equals area of small circle. What is the area of the small circle? 154 plus, put a bracket. What is the area of the semicircle BCA? 308. 308. Then a minus sign. What is the area of triangle BCA? Triangle BCA area is 196. Okay, we can simplify this, which is equal to 154 plus. Subtracting these two, what we will get? 8 minus 6 is 2. 10 minus 9, 1. Now balance here is 2. 2 minus 1, 1. I am going to add up these two, which is equal to 4 plus 2, 6. 5 plus 1, 6. 1 plus 1, 2. 66 centimeter square is the area. Very important question. Don't forget. So many times this question asked for the board examination. A very important question. All are important itself, but this seems to be some more important than the other questions mentioned in the exercise. Come with another problem. Before starting, I wish to inform you one more thing, that the way of doing calculation depends on the skill of your calculation ability. Either you can do in a single step, or just like the last problem which I discussed, find each area separately and then add up or subtract. So that depends on your skill. Come with problem 2. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC is 173.205 centimeter square. Taking each vertex as center, circles are drawn with a radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle as shown in the figure. Find the area of the shaded region. Use pi equals 3.14 and root 3 is 1.73205. Look at the value of root 3 mentioned in the question. Remember, a value if it is mentioned in the question, you need to substitute that value itself. Why? Because look at the values given in the question. The root 3 value is 1.73205 and the area of the triangle is 173.205. They are alike. Has some similarity unless if you consider the decimal part. Okay, we can read the question again. The area of an equilateral triangle ABC. You are given this triangle as an equilateral triangle. Whenever you hear it as an equilateral triangle, what are the conditions you can take? An equilateral triangle means that each angle must be equal to 60 degree. Then, that is the first condition, 60 degree. And the second condition you can take that all the sides are equal in length. I am going to take, let A at the side of this triangle. Let A be the side of this triangle. All the sides are equal. A. That is what we mean with the equilateral triangle. Okay, leave it there. The condition given is that taking each vertex as center. Taking A as the center, one circle is drawn here. Taking the vertex B as center, another circle drawn here. Taking the vertex C as center, the third circle is drawn here. You are asked to find, or the condition given is that the circles are drawn with a radius equal to, what about the radius of the circle? A radius equal to half the length of the side of the triangle. Whatever be the length of the side of the triangle, it's a half will come as the radius. The radius equal to, the radius of the, that's the condition given for you. The radius is equal to, radius equals half the length of the side of the triangle. Half the length of the side of the triangle. I am going to take the side as A. Suppose the side of this equilateral triangle is A, then the radius will be equal to then the radius will be equal to A by 2. I am going to mark here the radius as A by 2. This radius also a by 2. This circle is also having radius a by 2. All are having radius a by 2. Now you are asked to find the area of the shaded region. Listen to the shaded region here. The shaded region is actually this much only. This much only the shaded region. How you will get? From this equilateral triangle ABC, if you subtract this sector area and the second sector area as well as the third sector area, from the full triangle area, if you subtract these three sector areas, all the three sectors are similar, having the same radius a by 2 and having the same central angle theta is 60 degree. So equal three sector areas if you remove, you will get the area of the shaded region. So how to do this? A very important question. How to do the simplification seems to be very important. At first I am going to take, let A be the side of triangle ABC. Let small a be the length of the side of triangle ABC. So as per the question, the radius must be equal. Therefore, a radius of the circle must be equal to half of the length of the side of the triangle, that is a by 2 centimeter. Going to take it as equation number 1. Now, what is given for you? Given area of the equilateral triangle ABC is given in the question as 173.205. 173.205 centimeter square. The area given in the question. You studied how to find the area of an equilateral triangle. The formula for to find the area of an equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 into side square. What is the side? Let A be the side of the triangle. So the side square is A square. This is given to us 173.205. Now look at the simplification. Root 3 value I am going to substitute as 1.73205. 1.73205 divided by a 4 there into a square, keep it there, equal to 173.205. Look at the values on the LHS and RHS. Both are same, 173.205. 173.205. The only change is the change in the decimal place. So I am going to make them equal by doing a simplification like this. 173.205 by 4 into a square equal to, I am going to make this simplification like this, 1.73205 into 100. Any doubt? No. Why? Because 1.73 into 100 gives 173.205. So this I am going to convert like this. Why? Now look at the LHS and RHS. 1.73205, 1.73205, they can be cancelled. So for to make the simplification easy, how far we can think, that much you need to think and make the simplification very short, so that you can save your time for doing some more calculation. Now the remaining on the left side is, which implies a square on the left side divided by 4. A square by 4 equal to, on the right side only 100 remains, which implies cross multiplication. A square equal to 4 into 100 is 400. If a square equal to 400, we can say therefore a equals square root of 400. You know, root of 400 is 20, that is 20 centimeter. A equal to 20 means that the radius of the circle is a by 2. Therefore, from equation 1, we have radius of the circle r equal to a by 2, which is, what is the value of a? A equals 20 by 2 equals 10 centimeter. The radius of the circle obtained to us 10 centimeter in the question. As the triangle is an equilateral triangle, you have the angle theta as 60 degree. Here radius equal to 10 centimeter. Now I am going to find the area of the shaded region. Therefore, area of the shaded region equals area of the shaded region equals. What is the area of the shaded region equals? Area of the full triangle ABC. Area of triangle ABC. From this, you need to subtract area of three sectors, three equal sectors. Three sectors are equal. What is area of triangle ABC? Area of triangle, equilateral triangle ABC is given the question as 173.205. That is given in the question. Minus area of three sectors. Three sectors are similar, so we can write it as 3 into area of one sector. Area of one sector. As three sectors are similar. Now, I am going to make a simplification by substituting the formula at first equals 173.205 minus 3 into. What is the formula for to find the area of a sector? Area of a sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Okay, substituting again equals 173.205 minus 3 into. What is the value of theta in the question? 60 by 360 into. The value of pi is not 22 by 7, 3.14 into. The radius r square. Radius r equal to 10. So radius r square is 100. So do the simplifications very carefully. Now I am going to make a cancellation here. Keep the 173.205 there with like that. 173.205. Keep it there. Minus. Going to make the simplification here. 60 cancel with this 360 6 times. Now 6 times. Now the remaining I am going to do like this. A 3 outside the bracket into. Inside the bracket 3.14 into 100 gives 314 divided by 6. This much is the second bracket now. Again equals 173.205 minus. This 3 can be cancelled one time with the 6 2 times. Now remaining there is a 314 by 2 only remains there. 314 by 2. Again 173.205 minus. What is 314 by 2? 157. 157 which is equal to. What is 173.205 minus 157? Okay, listen here. 173.205 minus 157 that you need to subtract like this. The decimal place need to align one below the other. 502 point. 13 minus 7, 6. Here remains 6 only. 6 minus 5 is 1. So 16.205 centimeter square. A very, very important question. So the area of the required region is 16.205 centimeter square. Simple the question in which you need to find the area of the equilateral triangle given for you. You need to find the length of the side alone. This side alone you need to find. If you get the radius will be half of the length of the side as it is 20, you will get the radius as 10. So in this way you need to do the calculation. I hope that all of you know how to do this simplification. Make the decimal place like. Why? Because you will be given with a value in the question like this. Root 3 as 1.73205 and 173.205. So hope all of you understand this. Now you will be given with 2 homework questions. Try to complete that and send it to the concerned teachers. Thank you.